This is section 5.3, the indefinite integral. In this video, we're going to go through an example that's really similar to number 26 in your book. This is just an example of an integral that includes trig functions. So if you remember, this section gave us rules for when we have trig functions, and it tells us the integral of both sine and cosine x. So let's go ahead and go through this problem. So first thing I'm going to do is just separate this out into two different integrals. So for this first part, I have 1/2 sine of 2x dx plus the integral of the next part, cosine of 4x dx. And from here, I can just follow what my integral rules tell me. So for sine kx, I see that the integral is 1 over k, whatever this coefficient is, times minus cosine kx, or whatever that initial angle is. So I still have this 1/2 out here. I'm going to multiply it by the reciprocal of this coefficient. So reciprocal of 2 gives me 1/2. And the derivative of sine of something becomes negative cosine of that same something. Remember, whenever you take the derivative or integral, you can never change that inside angle. This will always stay the same. So I have minus cosine of 2x. Okay, plus the integral of this, I'll do the same thing. I have 4 times the reciprocal of this coefficient is 1 over 4, times the derivative of cosine something is just sine of that same something. Remember, angle never changes. And because this is an indefinite integral, I'll just add c at the end. And going through simplifying some of this, over here I have minus 1/4 cosine of 2x, plus the 4's cancel, and I'm just left with sine of 4x plus c. And that's your final answer. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts covered in this video are true no matter what calculus class you're in, but all the sections and problems I referenced were from this textbook right here. And remember that if you're a registered Baylor student, we offer free tutoring on the first floor of Sid Rich. You can either schedule a one-on-one appointment online or just drop in whenever you're available during our business hours for free tutoring. For more information, feel free to visit our website.